Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. Earlier today I was at Costco and I had another episode of impulse buying. I purchased this Ascend Aeronautics camera drone for $50. I don't know if it's going to be worth $50, but I'm going to give it a fair trial. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The box says open from bottom. Okay, let's open it up from the bottom. There are some secret tabs that you need to bend and bring it through, otherwise it doesn't come out. That is some packaging. Very well packaged. Look at that, there are some 3 thumb screws that you have to screw off in order to release the drone. Here we go. So this is everything. The drone itself, I don't know, it's like it's a little plasticky. And here's the camera. You just adjust it manually before the flight. And it is a folding drone, so how do we? It's a little tight. Folds up nicely. Oh, this one goes first. The bottom or the rear landing gear go first. So nice and compact. And the battery, the charger is like a mini USB charger. Goes to a USB adapter. Here's the controller. Feels nice. And everything seems to be labeled. That's the power button. This is probably takeoff landing. One key takeoff landing. This is speed. This says stunt. I'm assuming it can do flips. And this has altitude hold, so it has a barometer. And the left stick is at the center. Here is the phone holder, because it will be sending the videos and pictures that you are taking to your phone. Looks like a full set of spare rotor blades and a manual. They even included 4 AAA batteries for the transmitter. So for $50. You know, my first question is, does it have an SD card slot? And I don't see one. I wasn't expecting. It would have been nice. The reason is, with the SD card, you can record the videos and pictures directly on the card instead of sending it to your phone. The reason SD card is better is because if the transmission is not good, on your phone you may get some dropped frames or even gaps in your video. So you're watching, suddenly it jumps to another scene if it is far away and it does not receive the transmission. So I like the SD card versions better, because then you will have both the videos on your phone as well as on the SD card. Of course, the SD card is going to have higher quality without any interruption, continuous videos. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly put the battery in and just put the batteries into the transmitter. And they also provided a little handy dandy Phillips screwdriver that I can use. Interestingly, there are 2 battery compartments. You know, one side takes 2, the other side takes the other 2. Interesting design. And they gave us high quality batteries. These are Duracell OEM batteries. So far the quality seems to be quite good. And the phone holder just clicks in. Just force it into these holes. Maybe start from the top. Yeah, it looks like you start from the top with the tabs and the bottom clicks. And hopefully my phone will fit in here. Yes, it does, but this is not wide enough to hold my phone securely. I wish they made this tab a little wider, because this can easily pop off. Do you see? I have a thick phone, it's heavy. I have to be careful. Let's check the startup procedures. And they also provided a little card with the QR codes. This is for scanning with your phone, and it will take you to the app. Scan the QR code to install the 2000 series app. There's one for iOS and the other one is Android OS. The manual is quite good. The English reads very well. I haven't charged the battery, but there should be some juice in it, so I'm just going to test it out. So I turn on the drone first and then the transmitter, and it should go up, down, and it should be bound now. The lights are pretty good. You know, the front lights, bottom lights. In the front they are all white, and on the rear we have red lights. So what I'm going to do next is download the app, charge the battery, and then go outside, test outdoors. Let's see how stable it is, if it's worth $50.